Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Hamza, and in today's video I'm going to go over my portfolio just like I do every single day. Now, we did make quite a few trades today. In fact, earlier today I went live and we traded a few trades live early in the morning as the market opened. It seems like the market opened really green, like things were positive, things were looking good in the portfolio. The portfolio for the first time did pass a new milestone, which I'm really happy with. We haven't seen this milestone in quite some time, so I was really glad to see this new milestone, which I'm going to show you in just a second. Now, of course, if you guys want to see me trade live, I plan on doing this every single morning as the market opens. So half an hour before the market opens and half an hour after the market opens. So we stayed live for about an hour today, and I plan on continuing to do that. Once again, I want to thank everybody who hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button, hit the subscribe button. You get notifications. All my alerts are completely free on my channel right here on YouTube. So once you guys are subscribers, you're going to get all my alerts for absolutely free. And alerts are both buy and sell and are also in real time, which is something amazing. Now, I know you guys are here for the portfolio, so let me get to that really quickly. Okay, here's the portfolio. Like I said, we did hit a new milestone today, which I'm really excited about. We are finally over $150,000. I actually waited a little bit before I posted this video just because I wanted to be sure that in the after hours we were going to maintain that $150,000. And what do you know? After hours, we actually went up a little bit to $151,000. So that is good news for the portfolio and of course for me. And as you guys know, I'm very persistent. I trade every day. We try to make a little bit of money every single day so that we can make money in this portfolio and of course in all the other portfolios that I have. Now, I have not disclosed any of the other portfolios, of course, that I have, but I am running multiple strategies at the same time. Some portfolios are much larger than this one, and some of them are of equal size. And one day, very soon, hopefully, I plan on disclosing all that information to you guys because I want to complete an entire year of trading different strategies and show you what worked and what did not for me. Now, with that being said, first things first, of course, as you guys can see, I have $25,000 of buying power. That's the largest buying power that I've had in quite some time. I'm really glad to actually have a little bit of cash, dry powder as they call it, on hand because I do think that we are going to be making money moves. Now, the reason I have that and what you're not going to see today are the Apple calls that I have. I was losing $10,000. I decided to cut my losses and take the cash. So I actually lost $10,000 straight off the bat to begin with. Apple had a great day. We hit 130 on Apple. I thought that was a really nice move on Apple's part, which is why I decided to cut my losses. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this money and move it into Apple stock and hopefully try to regain some of that money back. If not in Apple stock, I plan on using it for day trading and hopefully we will get that money back very quickly. Let's go over the day. And as you can see, this is where the day began. We began the day right over here, very choppy day, and actually I think we were mainly sideways. So a lot of consolidating going on. The portfolio once again recovering nicely. I'm very happy for that. Of course, the loss did hurt me. That was the largest loss in one trade that I have ever taken in this portfolio, and it was a little painful, but we had to get it done. Okay, now with that being said, these are the options that I have. They're all expiring next week or next month. Actually, I take that back. The Rocket option is expiring this week. 18th is in fact this week, guys. So Rocket expiring this week. This was basically a lotto call for me. I am down 11%. Now the weird thing is that throughout the day, I actually was making like 20-something% on the call. I did attempt to sell it. My order did not get filled, which is why I'm sitting at a minus 11% loss, which is all right. I mean, it's okay. We'll try to recoup tomorrow. ExxonMobil calls. I always think that ExxonMobil calls are a good idea to have in the portfolio. Today we were down. I think it's going to come back until July, and I think we'll be fine. So we're just going to hold on to those for a minute. And with that, I'm going to go over the long-term holds. As you guys can see, we are almost at break even on ARK-K. We're green in ARK-G, ARK-X, ARK-W, ARK-Q, and ARK-F all looking good. Palantir moving a little sideways today. BNGO, we did have some upward momentum, and NDM also moving pretty much sideways. FUBO in the red, VGAC in the green, however, still moving pretty sideways. Now, I'm going to scroll down really quickly. Of course, you guys can always pause the video and watch the stocks that you want or are interested in more detail, but I'm going to scroll down because I actually have some bad news. And the bad news is GSAH did announce their acquisition today. So GSAH was the SPAC that we were hoping was going to acquire an amazing company, and this stock was supposed to fly. In fact, this stock did the exact opposite, and I have 420 shares in the stock. So as that announcement was made right here from 1037, you guys can clearly see that this thing hovered just for a second at $9.99 and continues to hover at $10. Now I'm hoping that I'm mistaken and I don't know enough about this company, and hopefully this stock recovers in the weeks to come or the months to come, because I really needed to move. I was banking on it. I was hoping that GSAH was going to be a moneymaker. Now obviously we don't know who the company is going to acquire or merge into. All we know is that it was a Goldman Sachs SPAC, which is why I had such high hopes for it. Anyways, with that being said, we're going to try to get our money out of GSAH, and then we're going to try to move it into CleanSpark. CleanSpark, once again, is seeing a lot of momentum. I am liking the company. I like their vision. I like what they do. I like their crypto play. So I like a lot of things that CleanSpark is doing, and I plan on investing more money into CleanSpark. Right now I have only 200 shares. I would like to get that number up to 1,000 shares and hold that for the entirety of this portfolio. Okay, Disney, we're almost at break even. MSOS, we are down 9%. Okay, that's something that I did not see or did not notice. Okay, so 9%, which is bad. GoPro was our trade. So these are the trades that we started for today. GoPro was our first trade that we did today. AMD was another trade. Helicity is another trade. This is actually a longer term trade for me. CHPT, Tilray, CLVS, MBIO, BBIG, Wish, S-Power. So these were all my trades for today, and as you guys can clearly see, we are down roughly around anywhere between 1% to about 5% for the day. Now, Tilray I think is going to go back up. Like I said, everything goes up and down, and I'm trading in a 3-day pattern, so I'm going to hold these and see how they end up panning for this portfolio. I think they will all be green. The last batch that we traded was all green, so I'm hoping this one is all green, and let's see what happens with these stocks. Okay, quickly over the crypto. So the crypto, we have Doge. Doge kept hovering in green and in red all throughout the day. It is currently sitting in the red, but it was green earlier today. So we're right in that consolidation area where it seems like Doge is trying to consolidate here and is going to move up soon. Of course, Bitcoin moving up sharply today. Ethereum moving up not as sharply as Bitcoin, but still moving up nonetheless. Of course, we all know why Bitcoin moved. It was because Elon Musk is now once again talking about Bitcoin and how he wants to implement a new timeline for Tesla to start accepting Bitcoin. It seems like Elon Musk has complete control over Bitcoin, which does not put us in a very good place. It actually is now demotivating me to invest more money into Bitcoin. I would rather put it elsewhere, because one tweet from him, positive or negative, seems to affect the pricing of Bitcoin, and that's really not something that I'm interested in as far as volatility. I would rather invest in something that moves up based on trends, based on moving averages, and so I am reconsidering my Bitcoin investment in this portfolio. Now, I've held this for quite a long time. We were at one point making almost $20,000 of a profit in Bitcoin when it hit high 60s or mid 60s rather. Those days are gone, so I think I'm gonna hold it for a little bit, see where else I can put the money for a better return, and then make a decision then. So yeah, guys, this was my portfolio for the day. I just wanted to quickly share it with you guys. Make sure that you guys are aware of the things that I'm trading. Also, guys, remember, I do post alerts. So if you go to the communities tab on this channel, you are going to see all my alerts buy and sell. So whether I'm making money, losing money, making a lot of money, you guys will be aware of all of that. And with that, once again, my name is Hamza, and I'll see you guys next video.